Good morning, Legion. It's the weekend, but the Legion never sleeps. We haven't done a check-in on the growth of the Legion for a while, so let's review where things stand. The Legion is now coming up on 3 months old. In those 3 months, we've grown to a small community of about 3,500 people. 1,800 of you have mapped your location on the Legion map across 838 cities and more than 100 countries, and 100 of you have already reached the Ascendant SBT rank. The vision of the Legion has always been long-term. We're creating a talent pool in the Near ecosystem, a skilled army for promoting the value of Near's vision for AI, and now a physical community that will spread roots in the real world. That's the vision now, that's the vision in the future. It begins in early Q1 2026 with events in Minsk, Lagos, New Delhi, Chicago, Bali, Frankfurt, and many other places. If you're nearby, prepare to see marketing materials and definitely attend. These events will then continue in the coming months in the run-up to NearCon and beyond. Our goal is to host 10 events every month for the year of 2026, culminating with 10 Metapool-sponsored nodes being allocated to different cities around the world. The one story to focus on over the weekend is this Hugging Face-based LLM evaluation guidebook. This nice interactive read for learning everything about how the benchmark lifecycle works and how models have evolved and improved in performance over time. This guidebook will tell you everything you need to know about how to evaluate if a model is actually capable of what you're hoping it is, how to create your own evaluation mechanism, and the biggest challenges that come with evaluations. If you're ever going to be interested in fine-tuning a model in the future, this is a must-read primer for preparing to benchmark your specific fine-tuned model. It will likely become even more relevant with product plans coming from Near AI. That's all for today. We'll do this all again real soon.